Hey, it's Fishy again, and I keep talking about seeing patterns when I'm looking at fake profiles and foreign profiles, and I just saw one just now, and so I wanted to stop what I was doing and record this to show you what I found. So I'm cruising my favorite group, United Americans Elected Donald Trump, which is always full of fake profiles and foreign profiles, and I come across this one from Angelica Paredes. And when I look at it, it's just something simple. Everybody seems to be against Melania. Do you support Melania Trump? Nothing offensive here, nothing fake, just engagement baits. Now, nothing unusual there, but it's part of a pattern that I've seen, so I checked out Angelica. Look at Angelica and her lovely family. The problem is that Angelica is actually a stock photo. For a dentist here, braces, orthodontist. So that's the picture that we're getting here from her. And when we look at the family photo again, same thing. We're going to find parents and their teenagers, and then teen parent support program, communicate with your teenager. So we've got stock photos for this profile, and that's all we have. If we look at the photos, it's just stock photos. And the usual groups that we would expect to find, the Trump-related groups, a whole bunch of them. So I looked further into her, looked at her profile here, her link. It's Chainsmoker 108. Well, that tickled something in the back of my brain because I had seen that link before when I looked at Amelia James, Chainsmoker 115. And this one has an American flag on the background for the cover photo and a little family photo here. When we Google the image, search Google for the image, it's Ronald McDonald House photo. So, something again stolen from this particular person. And the only photos are those two. Chainsmoker 115 also has Trump-related groups. The same, I would wager, Trump-related groups as Angelica. In fact, we're going to look at that right here and see if that's the case. President Donald J. Trump News, United Americans Elected Donald Trump, Dump the Trump, Donald Trump is our 45th president. There's those two, Drain the Swamp, and President Donald J. Trump supporters, Drain the Swamp, President Donald J. Trump. So the same groups on these two profiles that they're a member of. Okay, so something funky going on with this Chainsmoker link. So I looked at a few more. I just started typing in numbers. Isabela Mia, look at that. It's the same background as Amelia. Same background, and then one picture. When we look at those photos, it's stock photos and that one. Same groups, again, mostly. And when we look at this photo, it's going to come back as a stock photo of a group of girls. So that's not at all suspicious. So Chainsmoker 113, and then 116, Olivia Emma. Same flag again. So Olivia Emma, we've got some photos here. Let's take a quick look. Are they loading? Huh. All right, well, we'll just Google this one. For best guess is child, family archives, photo archives. So stolen from somewhere else again. And the link 116 and the same flag. Let's keep going. Oh, here's a new twist. We have a faded wood flag, I guess you would say, for Nuria Vega, but it's Chainsmoker 118. The photos are stock photos again. When we look at the one here and we search Google for images, it says best guess African American family of 4, stock photos. So American flag, stock photos, Chainsmoker 118, and roughly the same groups that we've seen. And when we look at Chainsmoker 119, Svetlana Jenks, what do you want to bet that this is a stock photo? Huh. Any takers? Scored activity tracker, commercial, ad, whatever. American flag, stock photos, Chainsmoker 119. It's fake. I'm just calling it. It's fake. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 profiles that were exactly the same, that were with 6 with Chainsmoker in the link. It's amazing, but all of them are getting reported. We'll see what happens.